Oh my god, I put on my backpack and this little gecko jumped off it. Good morning everyone, we are in Kanchanaburi again and just got some things from the 7-Eleven. And today is the day we will go back to Bangkok with the train. And it's even hotter today. I think it will be like 39 degrees, right?
Yep.
Very hot.
We sleep in Bangkok just for 2 days, and after that we go early in the morning to
Kokoot. With the bus and the boat. Yeah. So it will be another week of island vibes. Yeah man!
Yeah. Let's make a viral drink with the young coconut water and with vitamin passion fruit. And we will mix it together. Okay, first start with the coconut water. Then, thank you. We put the vitamin C passion fruit in it. Ooh. It looks really good. I don't know how it tastes, but it looks really good. And if you want more, you can put some more. Okay, let's try. Really, really good.
I want to try it.
It's really good. You're gonna love it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Really nice.
Oh.
Love it.
And I got the mochi again and the ham and cheese sandwich. They are so good here. We arrived at the train station and it will depart in like 1 hour. It is really hot there. We arrived back in Bangkok. We grabbed some dinner right here.
Okay.
Only 30 baht. We arrived in our new hotel room. And this hotel room was only 1400 baht. We paid in cash. Via booking.com it was like 47 euros and in cash it's 37 euros. So for 2 nights this will be our place. And it's even included with a Pepsi, water, some chips. This is the bed. We got a small balcony. Okay, nice. On the road, I think. A TV, Fleur also included. Oh, even a hair dryer. And the bathroom as well. Looks great. And that's for 37 euros for 2 nights. That's really cheap. We were still a little bit hungry because the food was not very much. So we ordered some McDonald's. Let's see what we got. We got some chicken nuggets and fries, but they are very cold, like McDonald's always is. And 4 ketchup, well, a little bit more, and hot barbecue sauce. And I also got this truffle cheese pie with ham. Looks good. It was disgusting though. And I've got a McFlurry with blueberry crumble. I like it though. It's really good. The portions here are also very different. I mean, look at this. This is all. I didn't even eat it. These are like 8 chips. What?